Hello, I'm Anthony with J&W Lumber, and there's going to be a list of material you need for your garden box project. You're going to start with a 4x4x8 piece of rough merch, 2x12 20-foot piece of rough merch, 16 of our 4.5-inch headlock screws, a measuring tape for when you make your cuts, an electric drill, and an 8-point spider bit. You can find all of these materials at any of our 6 J&W Lumber locations. Okay, so here we've taken one of our 2x12x20 rough merge and we've cut it down into 4 different pieces. So here we have 2 sections that are going to be at 4 feet. That's going to be the size of the garden box. And then these 2 right here are going to be 6-foot sections, which are going to go alongside of the other side of the garden box. So that'll give you your outer part of the garden box. And then here we took a 4x4 rough merge and we chopped it into 12-inch sections. That's going to go on the inside of the garden box for the corner pieces to kind of give it that support. And then as well, we do have a little bit left over. These are going to be 2-foot sections, which you can actually use for another garden box. All you have to do is just purchase another 2x12x20 rough merge, and that should give you enough for 2 full garden boxes. Okay, so the first step in assembling our garden box, we're going to need one of our 6-foot pieces, and we're going to set it on top of 2 of our 12-inch pieces, just like this. We're going to make sure that the sides are aligned all together. Then we're going to grab 2 of our 4.5-inch headlock screws, and we're going to go ahead and screw it in approximately 2 inches from each side, passing the 2x12 into the 4x4. You're going to place your screws in all 4 corners just like this. And then you're going to grab your other 6-foot piece and 2 12-inch pieces and repeat the same process. This should give you 2 sides for your garden box. Next, we're going to take both of our 6-foot pieces that we just screwed together with these 4x4s, and we're going to set it up next to one of our 4-foot pieces that we cut earlier, just like this. Next, we're going to make sure that we place our screw 4 inches from the side, and we're going to place it 1.5 inch down from the top. That way it doesn't interfere with the screw for the 6-foot section. Next, we're going to put in the second screw 1.5 inches from the bottom and 4 inches from the side. We're going to repeat this step for all 4 corners. And now your 4x6 garden box is assembled. You can go ahead and add a wire mesh to the bottom to protect it from pests, add a nice stain to protect your wood. This is Anthony with J&W Lumber. Happy building.